Hello and welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn how to fix maps errors. This is very important and most of the time people are overlooking it, but it can cause serious issues. So in this current map, I'm going to click on the build, go map check, and you can see all these errors. Actually, these are warnings, but still, it's not good for the game. Now let's see how we can fix it. So first, let's read what's the warning about. So collision enabled, but static mesh, the name of the mesh, has no simple or complex collision. So this is something related to the collision. Now let's click to see what is this. It will take us straight to the mesh that has errors or warnings. Now the way to fix it, it's selected over here. So right click and browse to asset. So it's taking us directly to the asset. Let's double click. I can dock it like this. Now if in case you forget, just go back to see the error. So something with a collision. Now go to show and show simple collision. Now we clicked to show the simple collision, but we don't see any collision. So that means this asset has no collision. Now let's add one. Click over here. So add box simplified. And now we see the collision. Now if you go to the show, if you uncheck it, you don't see it. That's how you are going to detect whether this asset has collision or it doesn't have. Now let's click save. Now let's close this down and try to remember SM heater mesh clumps 2. Now let's see if this error is still here. Let's go build, map check. You see that error is gone, but we have the rest. Now don't worry, this is the one mesh but multiple times used in the level. So once you fix one of these, like we just did, many of these, they're gonna disappear. So let's go to the field grass, right click over here on the asset, browse to asset, double click, go to show to make sure this doesn't have collision, and go to collision. You can add a capsule as well if you want, but for this asset, it's not appropriate. You can also click and move like this and delete. Now let's add normal box. Save. Now let's close this down and try again build and map check. Okay, now we have this. Right click, browse, double click. So all you have to do is repeat this multiple times and that's it. It's not very hard, but we have to do it. I will just close all of these for now. Try build. You see, we are nearly there. Now let's go this one. And we have a few more meshes left. This is how you optimize your level as well, by removing all the errors and warnings. And for the last error, world settings 1, we need to rebuild the lighting. The way to do this is go to the build and build lighting only. Please note it will take a lot of time depending on the level. For this particular level, it's going to take a lot of time. So I'm not going to do this. It can stay like this. This is going to be it for this video. Make sure you have no errors or warnings. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.